Hi, happy Thanksgiving. So I'm doing a little turkey prep, so I thought I would share my process. So I'm going to begin with two large aluminum foil pans. I'm cutting some lemon thyme from my garden, maybe about a handful. I have three cloves of rosemary as well as two oranges that I'm slicing. And I'm going to add 4 quarts of water into one of the pans. So that 4 quarts is about 16 cups of water. I'm going to put a half a cup of salt to 3/4 of a cup of salt. It's up to you. And a 1/4 cup of sugar. My turkey is only about 15 pounds. So I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to remove the gizzards and the neck out of the turkey. I'm going to rinse that, pat it dry. I do disinfect my sink with bleach. And I'm going to place my turkey breast side down into the mixture. So the salt sugar mixture with the herbs and the oranges, I'm going to let that brine for at least 2 to 4 hours. Once I've done that, I'm going to discard the pan. So I get rid of the pan. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put mayonnaise all over my turkey. I put mayonnaise because it helps it to brown. I'm going to fill the cavity with lemons and onions as well as celery and garlic. I do add rosemary, and so if you want to add garlic and rosemary, please feel free to do so. I then begin to season it. So I start with garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and seasoned salt to my taste. And you can do salt and pepper and it would still be great. I make a homemade sage butter. That's on one of my other videos. And I'm going to coat the turkey breast with that because, again, I'm looking for a tender, flavorful breast. At this point, I put my turkey into an oven bag. You can place it in the roaster. You just want to seal it and cover it and cook it for however amount of time works for you. I cook my turkeys low and slow. I usually follow the directions on the turkey to tell you how long to cook it. It's been my experience that cooking it low and slow usually works best. That's my turkey prep. Happy Thanksgiving.